Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Tom is a student. He is 10 years old. Tom goes to school every day. He likes his school. Today is Monday. The teacher walks into the classroom. "Good morning, class," she says. "Please take out your homework." Tom looks in his bag. He cannot find his homework. Tom remembers now. He forgot to do his homework. His face becomes red. He is very worried. The teacher comes to his desk. "Where is your homework, Tom?" she asks. "I am sorry," Tom says quietly. "I forgot to do it." The teacher looks at him. "This is not good, Tom," she says. "Homework is important." Tom nods his head. "I know," he says. "You must bring it tomorrow," the teacher says. "Yes, I will," Tom says. After school, Tom goes home. He sits at his desk in his room. He opens his book. He starts to do his homework. The homework is about math. Tom works hard. He finishes his homework before dinner. He puts his homework in his bag. The next day, Tom gives his homework to the teacher. The teacher smiles at him. "Good work, Tom," she says. Tom is happy now. He learns an important lesson. He will not forget his homework again. Learn with LingoStories.app.